Okay guys, now before I attempt to knock this wall down going through, I need to make sure it's not the load bearing wall, and so up on the ceiling I've knocked some holes through to see which way the joists run and actually sit on top of the plate there, and there'll be joist hangers on top of there. So I'm going to carefully start from the top of the wall and work downwards. Okay, so I'll leave it on a time lapse and let's get going. As you can see guys, I've started getting half the wall down now, so we're progressing. And for those of you who think that we're getting labourers and we're not doing it all ourselves, here's Karen, and she's helping clear up the rubble into rubble bags from the wall. I'm I suppose I'm nearly 3/4 of the way through it, and we're putting rubble in bags now. Hi guys, I'm Mark, and this is Karen.
Hiya.
This is day 3, and we're still clearing the rubble, as you can see. Some people have asked what am I using. This is just called a Parker side drill, a 1500. It's a hammer sort of breaker drill that I'm using. Handy tool. It's about 120 pounds, and it's just breaking, as you can see, all this up. So hopefully today we will get this out. So catch up with you soon guys.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Okay guys, back again. So I'll just give you an update of where I've knocked the wall out completely now. See here, so hopefully you can see that. Comment below if you think that it was a good decision. I think personally it lets in a lot more light doing it like this, and it's going to be nice and open plan, and I hope you agree with me, it's a good idea. These wires by the way are all dead. It was previously rewired, and for some reason they've left all these dead wires on there, which is crazy, but yeah. I've got to sort that out, so I'm going to get that away and sort that and move the gas pipe. So that's an update guys. Hi guys, and to our next project for today is remove this door and window and break down right to the floor of the concrete to open up, as we said, this area between the living room and the back. So I'll leave it with you, and I'll give you a catch up in a while. So guys, as you can see, the frame is out, the door is out, and just a load of rubble remaining. It took a bit of time. Though you saw, I did mention that when I took the glass out, I put some tape across it, and I put a bit of sheeting down up against the back of the window and this side, and then banged it through, and then caught it all and then put it in the wheelie bin over there. We've got this used to be an external wall, so you've got a cavity there. We're going to make sure that we'll fill the bottom in and make that all nice and level. And obviously this, we've got a corner bead up both sides and along the top there, and obviously use sand render to start with, let that go off, and then we'll skim it all the way round, and obviously we're going to show you that part as well. So this part guys, we'll see you tomorrow, the next part.